Hi everyone. I came up with a new way to connect to the network storage for the lab that I think will be a little easier, so I wanted to show you all that. So again, what this is it's a network hard drive that we have for both the Winer lab and my lab. And with this, it allows you to save documents that you're working on for the lab, save data, or let reviews, things like that, in a place where we have access to them. So it's a little easier than using Dropbox. And all you have to do to connect to this is be on the network. So you need to be on the wireless network that we set up for the lab. If you're not on that network, just let me know and I will help you connect to it. So originally I was going to have you map drives, which looks something like this, but the problem I was running into is sometimes with the password protected ones, they disconnect. So instead of doing that, I think I'm going to show you an easier way that shouldn't cause so many problems. So actually I'll keep this window. There we go. So what I want you to do is, here, let me open this again. Go to my computer. So here we have my computer. And go down to network. And in the network, you should see an option that is SMITLE. So we're going to actually click on this network here. There are actually 3 SMITLEs. I want you to ignore 2. Ignore this one down here. And ignore this one. This is the one we're going to do. Okay? So what you're going to do with SMITLE is actually the hard drive. We're just going to drag this onto our desktop. And that'll create a shortcut on our desktop. Then close this. You can rename the shortcut whatever you want. I'm going to call it Lab Storage. Or you can leave it as SMITLE if you like it. So I'm just going to put this here on my desktop. Now when I open this, you'll see there are many folders in here. So first, each lab has a lab folder that anyone can get access to. So if you're an undergraduate, these are the folders you're going to end up using. So if you're doing a lit review, you can create a folder within here. So you create a folder with your name on it, and then go ahead and save your files there. Now, if you're a grad student, you have a little bit more access. One thing is there are these private folders, the lab private folders. These are where we're going to store data and things like that. So you'll have access to these folders, and you'll also each have an individual folder for you. And that's password protected. So only you have access to that, and also Sam and I have access to that. But other people don't. Feel free to use that for backup. Don't throw everything on there. Don't put a lot of movies or anything, of course. But anything research or school related should be okay. If you're taking in too much space, I'll let you know. But we have 3 terabytes, so we'll probably be okay for a little while. So I think that's most of it. So when you double click on your folder, I may just go into mine because I've already put in the password. I did. Let me actually click on Sam's folder because I do not have access to his. So it will ask me for a password. Go ahead and do this use another account and put in a username and password, and it should grant you access to that folder. So I think that's about all there is to know. So then if you need one of the folders, you just go to your lab storage or whatever you called it, that shortcut, and then all the folders should be here. So if you're on any problems or have any questions, let me know, and hopefully that is helpful to you.